Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. So there is a small announcement regarding placements. So here, Edu Skills Foundation is hiring 2024 and 2025 freshers. Those who are looking for the placements, here just I will be explaining the hiring process and details of the company. So here you can able to see the details of it. So please be wait. We'll show the details. So here you can be able to see we are hiring 2024-2025 freshers. So those who are graduated 2024 are those who are going to graduate in 2025. Those people are eligible for applying for this job. And also those who have completed their internship in AACTE Edu Skills, they are eligible to apply. Those people are only eligible to apply. And if you have completed in this internship in your college, they will send into you their mails. Once your mails are received to them, then you can able to apply for them. So here we can able to see the details of the job. So job role. What is the job role? Means Python full stack developer. So those who are looking for the role of Python full stack developer, they are eligible for this. Next one, qualification. What are the qualifications that a student have? Means they should have done their uh, they should have done their graduation either in B or B Tech, in IT or CS girls. It means they have to done their graduation or they have to complete their graduation in 2025 either in B Tech or in BE in CS or IT branches. So for the people of CS or IT branches only eligible for this job. Next one, employment type. Full-time employment. It is a full-time employment. It is not a part-time employment. Number of openings, 30 plus. So for this job, there are 30 plus openings are there. So you can go through that and you can apply for the job. Next one, packages. So for the first 6 months, you will receive only 15K. Why you are receiving only 15K means it is for training for first 6 months. After completion of 6 months, you will receive 2.4 to 3 LPA. See here, after 6 months, you will receive 2.4 to 3 LPA. After 12 months, 3 to 3.6 LPA. Next month, if you want to receive 3.6 to 4.2 LPA means you have to complete 18 months. So after completion of 18 months, you will receive 4.2 to 5 LPA per after completion of 24 months. So it means if you complete 2 years, you will receive 4.2 to 5 LPA. So based on your experience, you will receive your packages. It means there is increment in this job. So for year by year, the salary will be incremented. So if you want to apply, just go through this. Next one, the job location. The job location will be in Delhi, Hyderabad, Pune and Bhubaneshwar. These are the job locations they are provided. Next one, last date to apply. What is the last date to apply for this job role? April 5th is the last date. After completion of the date, he will not be accepting any applications for this role. So, guys, listen here. Those who are completed internship in Edu Skills, AICTE Edu Skills, those students are only eligible. Other students are not eligible. Just listen to this and apply. Next one. I will how to apply means I will provide the link in the description. So go through that link and apply. So if you want to know more about the job and if you want to get more notifications about the job, just make a comment here below and also please subscribe. So this is the information about the job. So I think everyone understood. So we'll be coming into the next video in the next session. Thank you.